Hello, EOS Nation. Welcome to this week's edition of the EOS Hot Sauce podcast, where today we'll be speaking about EOS VC, Liquid Apps, Boss version 3.0, Equilibrium, Emanate, Aloha EOS Reliability Tracker, EOSide, Pummel, Games, Bitrex, and Charity Poker. Let's get started. So EOS VC Funding. We see many gaming and social media projects utilizing the benefits of EOSIO. The flexibility of EOSIO allows many use cases, and the protocol is used for blockchain and smart contract solutions in the business and industrial world as well. As examples, we would like to report two recent investments that were made by EOS VCs. The first investment we would like to report was made by the EOS VC FinLab AG, which was a substantial 7-digit euro investment in the German company Arxum GmbH, a provider of blockchain solutions for connecting the manufacturing industry with customers and suppliers. Arxum is among the first and leading companies to successfully apply third-generation distributed ledger technology, DLT, in an industrial and manufacturing context. They are using the EOSIO blockchain to facilitate secure and automated data exchange, as well as business information transfers between industrial customers and suppliers. Arxum's technology and the strong industrial business focus of the solution was one of FinLab's decision criteria. We are convinced that Arxum has the potential to disrupt industrial business interaction, and we support them in establishing the EOSIO protocol as an effective, state-of-the-art data exchange standard, explains Juan Rodriguez, Managing Director of FinLab EOS VC Fund. A second investment that caught our attention was an investment round led by EOS VC Galaxy Digital, which raised $5.5 million for Clause, a digital contract management startup. Among the other investors was a well-known company called DocuSign. Founded in 2016, Clause offers blockchain-based solutions to facilitate creation, storage, and maintenance of digital contracts for businesses. However, it also offers clients these same services independent of blockchain technology by using existing platforms such as Stripe or PayPal, CEO Peter Hun explains. Clause is a system that doesn't rely on a particular blockchain. It's blockchain agnostic and also blockchain independent. What we mean by that is that you can run Clause without the blockchain infrastructure at all. You could just have a contract that you sign using an e-signature service that then initiates a payment through Stripe or PayPal that you connect to that agreement. While Clause is not exclusively going to use EOSIO for their service, it's still interesting to see an EOS VC investing in the project and in this specific sector. Liquid Apps adoption. There has been a lot of activity regarding the Liquid App network in recent weeks. With the first DSP portals up and running, many dApps are making use of this amazing EOS Public Network Layer 2 solution to further scale their services in a very cost-efficient manner. These dApps were showcased in a recently released video from Liquid Apps. It comes with no surprise that some of the best known and most used dApps on the EOS Public Network are among them. To get an idea of how much more efficient the dApp network really is, the team released a case study for the Karma project, which revealed that they were able to reduce their cost for RAM by 99%. The speed in which these developments are happening is remarkable, especially since this is just the beginning and many possible use cases have yet to be explored. To get an idea of the possibilities of the dApp network, we encourage you to listen to this great panel with some of the dApp service providers already in business. Among them, EOS Nation, Blockstart, and Airdrop Stack. The value proposition of Liquid Apps is also getting more recognition outside of the EOS ecosystem, as the CEO Benny Harak did an interview about the project to Crypto News. Currently, the most known product of Liquid Apps is Liquid RAM, previously known as VRAM. Since one of the reasons for the cost of new user accounts on the EOS public network is RAM, the team will offer a new service called Liquid Accounts, enabling a project to provide free accounts for its users. This is a massive improvement for any onboarding strategy, and is likely to be a requirement for mass adoption. Here's a video which explains this further. Another product recently released by the Liquid Apps team is the Zeus SDK software development kit, which streamlines EOS and dApp network dApp development. DSPs can also offer other services like oracles, which provide real-world data for smart contracts so that they can execute accordingly. This feature will be used, for example, in Predict, the prediction market of Everpedia's IQ network, which will go live on the EOS public network soon. As you can see, the team at Liquid Apps and the DSPs of the dApp network are working hard to make EOSIO the most efficient platform for dApp developers, which in the end is beneficial to users and investors as well. BOSS 3.0.0 successfully deployed on BOSS testnet. After a month of testing and improving, BOSS version 3.0.0 was released on June 29th. The update was successfully deployed on the BOSS testnet on July 2nd during a community Zoom call to coordinate the collective effort. One of the most prominent features of this update is an upgrade of the EOSIO consensus algorithm. The new version supports both the current DPoS pipeline PBFT and the DPoS batch PBFT consensus algorithms. At the beginning of the Zoom call, the DPoS batch PBFT was introduced by BOSS core developer Deadlock, and we encourage you to watch this recording if you want to learn more about the underlying technical finesse. Batch PBFT introduces block finality speeds 50 times faster than EOS, which makes it the fastest consensus protocol currently known in the blockchain industry, allowing BOSS core transactions to become irreversible within 3 seconds. This kind of performance opens up possibilities for many real-world use cases such as retail payments. Version 3.0.1 was deployed shortly after to fix a memory leak. Equilibrium stablecoin. Equilibrium is a very promising crypto-collateralized algorithmic stablecoin built on the EOS public network. It seems to have resonated well with the community as it already stores 2.5 million EOS in collateral in order to generate the EOSDT stablecoin. Rumor is that the Equilibrium team is working on implementing Dan Larimer's recently suggested algorithm for an over-collateralized stablecoin. Dan Larimer even chimed in and gave his opinions in their Telegram chat. Exciting! An additional reason why the project caught more and more attention is that they recently implemented REX in partnership with EOS Authority, which brings additional capital into the pool to benefit the holders of the EOSDT stablecoin. With so much EOS already stored with potentially much more flowing in, the voting weight of the Equilibrium account has become quite substantial. For that matter, the team announced their proxy and invited the community to take part in the poll to decide for which BPs their stored tokens should vote for. The voting is currently off-chain in the form of an online poll open to everyone and doesn't require holding any EOSDT, the stablecoin, or not, the governance token. The team expects to complete the final on-chain voting algorithm by the end of Q3 2019, and when it's complete, NUT holders will have the ability to periodically re-elect the list of BPs that make up the proxy. Initiatives like this could be creating the necessary incentives to mobilize users that are currently not voting with their own accounts, as well as users that keep their EOS on exchanges. If you haven't voted yet, please visit voting.eosdt.com and vote for EOS Nation along with your other favorite BPs. Emanate team keeps growing. As the release of Emanate's alpha version is coming soon, music lovers as well as musicians soon will have a new home to celebrate their passion together. In a video, CEO Sean Gardner gave the fans a little preview. After a recent partnership with Phil Mesner from Object Computing and adding the CEO of EOSphere Ross Dole to the team as CTO, the team has now added a prolific member of the music business. From now on, Nick Johnson will join Emanate as a musicology and genre advisor. He's well known in the industry as the CEO of Muru Music. Another initiative to grow their team in a more decentralized fashion is the recently announced Emanate Music Cooperative, or EMC, for which they also made an open call for pilot Emanate reps. So if you are familiar with Emanate, passionate about music, and want to get more involved in the EOS ecosystem, we encourage you to take a closer look. EOS Nation is happy to announce that one of these potential candidates is our very own EOS Nation Ambassador, Samuel Joseph. Sam has proven himself to be a fantastic community leader, and we know he would do a great job for Emanate. Please support Samuel, or Stamsticks Joseph, by voting for him on this page. Aloha EOS Reliability Tracker. Block producers come in many shapes, forms, and colors, but the one thing that is fundamental for each candidate is maintaining a working and up-to-date infrastructure backed by a technical team that can execute and monitor block production to ensure a stable network. Block production can be objectively measured, and Aloha EOS recently released a simple Telegram alarm to raise awareness where awareness is due. Learn about it here. Tokenika's EOSide. After featuring in our previous Hot Sauce episodes the EOS Studios release for the web, we are happy to let you know that Tokenia's EOSide, Integrated Development Environment, was also updated, and smart contract development is becoming easier. Each environment is different and can cater to the individual needs of a developer. We definitely encourage you to check this one out in case you haven't done so. Smart contract development can be done in as fast as 5 minutes, as the team demonstrated in this video. For a free download from the Microsoft Store, please go here. Pummel, fitness powered by EOS. Fitness apps are almost on everyone's phone. Workouts can be managed, customized, and users can easily keep track of their improvements. Certainly, these offers are having a positive impact on nowadays everyone's life and in general fitness. What needs to be addressed, though, is what is happening with all the accumulated data sets, which clearly could be of high value for your health insurance company or research facilities. Blockchain technology can help facilitate the health and fitness industry's ability to reward their customers fairly for the authentic information they share. Pummel is pioneering in this field by building a platform that does this in a completely transparent, safe, and secure manner, while cooperating with local businesses to set up fitness programs customized for their venue. The more you visit your fitness center, the more Pummel tokens you earn, which can be redeemed against a wide range of rewards in the form of fitness products or services. Pummel helps you improve your health and your wealth. Recently, the Pummel team decided to move their project from Ethereum to EOSIO, while also establishing a strategical partnership with EOSphere, a well-known block producer. On the 10th of July, Pummel will be pitching their product at the Hype Sports Innovation event in Brisbane. This event, organized by the University of Queensland and in partnership with the Ministry of Sport, aims to fast-track promising local startups onto the world stage. Learn more about Pummel in this recent interview with Pummel's co-founder, Adam Samuel. Games. As promised, we'll keep you up to date with developments in the EOS gaming world. We're happy to announce that Crypto Sword and Magic is now released and can be accessed through Token Pocket via mobile, and can be played on a desktop PC via Scatter login, and is coming soon to iOS. Crypto Sword and Magic is a turn-based 2D role-playing game featuring fully owned assets as an NFT token. To get an idea of the gameplay, we recommend watching this video. Rocket Battles is a new gaming platform based on EOSIO, and they announced the release of Block Rocket along with a sneak peek and token giveaway. Users can now sign up for early bird access and beta testing with your best battle motto and win 1,000 rocket tokens. There can only be 500 winners total, so get creative and sign up with your battle motto. The impressive Korean gaming studio Itam Games, already known for their releases like Blue Dawn, The Onion Knights, and Dark Town, have announced an ICO for their platform's Item token. Get more info on the token sale here, and if you're interested in this KYC guide, might be helpful. Another token sale was recently announced, this time by Ultra.io. This gaming ecosystem project is aiming big. A team of high-profile executives combined their efforts to introduce blockchain gaming to the gaming mainstream by targeting users, developers, and marketers. How this all comes together is shown in this short video. After completing pre-sale and seed round, they're now offering an IEO on TokenX in order to raise an additional $5 million at a price of 5 cents per token. You can find a detailed explanation of their token metrics and allocation in this recent article. While they are keeping their affiliation with EOSIO on the down low, we're happy to see that they tagged EOS in their article, and the token name UOS could also be seen as a subtle hint. A not so subtle hint is the fact that they confirmed that Ultra is built on EOSIO in their white paper on page 20. We are looking forward to more games on EOS, and we'll keep you updated as usual. New listing update on Bittrex. Bittrex is a well-known crypto exchange, and we're happy to announce that they recently listed EOS. The listing was made possible through the efforts of a large number of block producers, including a 130 EOS donation from EOS Nation. Charity Poker. It's the third time we mention EOSphere in this article, and this one is as well deserved as the previous ones. Shout out to the team for all their efforts and work in the ecosystem. This time, they partnered for a charity poker tournament with Dice and Humane, a charity project founded by our EOS Nation Ambassador Samuel Joseph, and ran with the help of his local community. The poker game is open to everyone to participate and might get exciting to play against some of the announced special guests. We are sure many familiar faces of the EOSIO community can be expected to participate at a fun event for a good cause. Event details. Date is Saturday 27th of July at 12 p.m. UTC. Just go check out the address at dice.1/poker. The buy-in is 10 EOS. You can go check him out on Telegram, t.me/charity poker event. Thank you for joining us again for this edition of EOS Hot Sauce.